Hello everyone and welcome back. So today I am going to solve the given problem related to perimeter and functions. So first I'll read the question very carefully. So the question says fx is equal to 2x plus 244. The given function f represents the perimeter in centimeters of a rectangle with a length of x centimeter and a fixed width. Now what is the width in centimeter of the rectangle? Option A 2, option B 122, option C 244 and option D 488. Now first understand what is given. We are given the function fx is equal to 2x plus 244 and the question says that is the function represents the perimeter of a rectangle. So that means perimeter of rectangle is equal to what? 2x plus 244. And we also know length of the rectangle is x and width of the rectangle is fixed value and that is unknown, and we are asked to find the width. Now we know that the formula for perimeter of a rectangle is perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus width. Okay, so or we can write it as perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. Okay, now we substitute length is equal to x and width is equal to W. So perimeter P is equal to 2x plus 2W. Okay, now compare with the given function. From the question, perimeter is 2x plus 244. Now from the formula, perimeter is 2x plus 2w. Okay, now compare both the expression carefully. So 2x plus 2w is equal to 2x plus 244 on the both sides we have 2x, so the remaining parts must be equal. Therefore 2w is equal to 244. Okay, now divided by both sides by 2, then we get w is equal to 244 by 2, that is 122. Okay, so the width of the rectangle is 122 centimeters. 122 centimeter. Okay, now let us understand why this works. The perimeter formula always includes 2 times the length and 2 times the width. Now in the given function, the term 2x represents 2 times the length and the constant 244 must represent 2 times the width, and that's why 244 equals to 2w, and when we divide it by 2 we get the width. So therefore the width of the rectangle is 122 centimeters. So the correct option is option B, 122. Hence the width of the rectangle is 122 centimeters. So this was the final solution for this particular question. If you have any kind of doubts, any kind of problem regarding this question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and see you in the next session with the next question. So the next session is going to be very interesting, so don't miss it out guys. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.